Hello fellow weebs, welcome back to Teardown. Today we're going to see if Godzilla can survive Chibaku Tensei. If anyone who's a Naruto fan knows what this is, let's summon the main guy himself. Like the Mecha. Right. Okay. I don't want to. Okay, hold on. Oh dang. Okay. Guess he didn't survive, guys. He got obliterated. Jesus. Holy shit. Sorry for the lag. Holy shit, guys. It usually doesn't lag. Okay then, guys. Seems Tenzin can't. Holy shit. Godzilla just murdered them. Alright. That literally destroyed the game. I hope we'll leave it at that. I hope you enjoy, guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.